Hello humans, welcome back to another video, and we're going to be showing you how to edit on Power Director, the best editing software for mobile. First, go on this application, website, whatever you want to call it. I can't think right now, I have too small brain. Just search up Power, probably spelled right. Decline, save, Cyberlink, see it says Cyberlink, Power Director. Game mods, yeah, those aren't games. I mean, those are games, not apps. Apps mod, dummy. Aw, man. You find this somewhere. You'll just find it somewhere. It is in here, but I don't know where. What? It may be over here. Okay. You can just, I'm gonna show you the timestamp to skip to, which I probably already put in the video because I'm gonna edit it through Power Director from Happy Mod. Just do a random video like what I just recorded 5 seconds ago. But really, I'm not going to do that. Excuse me, boy. I do not need that to be that large. I'm just making it slightly. Just make it about 20 seconds long for ease of making the end screen really easy to go through. That's going to be my outro. I'm going to have the thing there. What you just saw is stuff. And it was pretty easy stuff to use. You can put effects on it like bloom. You can delete the FX really easily. You can put random musical numbers in it like sound clips. They're pretty good. At least some of them, like Sound Idea. Sound Idea by Sound Idea. Except I did not mean to save it. Except because what my music is Minecraft. Because, you know, reason. And also you can edit text just doing this. This is only premium, which you probably get with Happy Mod. Just place that in, and you can say whatever. You can say whatever you want to say. And more. See, you can do multiple text. Just press the check mark. You can do. That's not the only one. You can have more normal text, like that says default fashion glitter. It shows you what you can do. And also you can go on the Google Drive, but I don't really think most people have much on Google Drive except me, and you can install some images. Like my banner, my channel banner. This is not nearly as bad as other channel as what the channel banner actually is. It just makes it shrink. I don't really know how to do it anyway. You can put stickers, which I never use. Like, I sometimes use the Manga Frenzy and whatever the frig that shark is. I don't use it, but this is being laggy. There are also free ones if this thing would not be at 2 frames per second. There's still quite a lot of just I hate how freaking laggy it is. So if you want to avoid super lag, then I would recommend you kind of avoid this. Kind of avoid putting stickers in it. Instead of the stickers, try and put just images unless you're fine with having the interface being at 2 frames per second. And also this is how I make thumbnails. See, this isn't a thumbnail, but you manage this. You put the screenshot on, then you can delete the screenshot because I'm not going to take a screenshot. And this is how you take a picture. Allow it access to take a screenshot, then just take a screenshot. And take another screenshot because the screenshot before will be crappy and you will have to delete it because it will show this. You don't want them to know that you're editing. You really don't want them to know you're editing, so yeah. You don't need thumbnail maker. That's like what is it? That's what a lot of thumbnails that I see that with watermarks and things, they don't use that. And using Power Director and things, it makes the thumbnail possibilities a bajillion times better. Because thumbnail maker, you can really only add text and things. And also it's kind of more of a pain because it only for my experience, it only lets you go on it for like 5 seconds. So yeah, have whenever you're going to go into the end or whatever in Minecraft or whatever game you use, and just make the thumbnail for it from a certain time in the video that looks best for that title that you're thinking of, and the best for the video, and best looking thing for the video, aka basically just the best part of the video, the most surprising part of it, because you want it to look appealing, flashy, or just really helpful. Don't make it look strange. Don't make it look unreadable or anything else. I'm not going to edit on this just like that. That would be a small brain idea. But basically just try and make your thumbnails kind of simple, pretty, but good looking. Because I bet when you're looking at this from such a small YouTube channel, you're probably just starting. And also, if you're just watching this because you're watching this, you're probably just starting. So if this helps you, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Subscribe, not conscribe or whatever I said. And also, I have multiple folders. You'll probably have multiple folders, like the screenshots. I have quite a lot. And also, there's color board, which you can censor stuff with, because there's not really a censor thing. With more advanced editing things, you can censor it, but this one you can't, unless you do a certain thing. And also, when you censor things, you kind of want to just keep that thing in one place, so you don't have to like put it all around like what I'm about to show you, dang it. That is not what I meant to do. Basically like this, even though that didn't even render yet. Just make censored things like the human malware. Try and put it in one place, then pause the video, pause the recording I make, so it's It's easier to edit. I'm gonna try and find that skin seed video. Like, you may have to move the sensor a few times, but it shouldn't be overly a lot. Like one of my videos, I kind of got lazy and wait. Okay. Delete that. Upload / download project pack. No. I bet this doesn't exist anymore. That's why it's a question mark. And also delete unnecessary things in your storage. I'm just going to show you how to do it on this type of OS. Operating system, aka, if you were not aware, it's an operating system. Just type in storage, because if you're wondering this, you either need Android or iOS, I'm pretty sure, to get this working. Maybe on Happy Mod you can just get it on iOS. I don't know if you can get it on iOS. I don't have iOS. This is how you delete videos, even though I don't have very much videos. I'm going to delete the projects. If they say projects and you've already uploaded all of those, what it says projects, you should just delete them, unless you really want to show it to a friend and they don't have Wi-Fi or something, which is very possible. And also, it's kind of sad because of the human malware. You know what the human malware is, hopefully. Sometimes you only need to delete a few files, and I would recommend your device to be 64, 128, or like 256 gigabytes for this type of stuff. Because I doubt your games are going to be that big. I doubt it. If you want to do a lot of gaming and have enough space for a bunch of videos, I would recommend you have 256 gigabytes. You don't need 1 terabyte of storage like some devices have. You don't need nearly 1 terabyte of storage. On your computer, you may need that because you have like 12 of those 50 gigabyte games. And a few of those lighter ones, like 2 or 3 gigabytes. I'm saying lighter as for computers. And also there's a video that says how much storage you probably need for certain uses. If I can find that video link, because you have history on YouTube, I'll link it in the description, definitely. I don't know what I'm saying, but if you can pick it up properly, that will really help you. Hopefully. See, like, you have a history tab. I'm going to censor that because of the human malware. Because I watched a few of those videos. They're not even actual news. Those were actually memes of it. Well, this should be about it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell, and also if I can find the link for Power Director, if you want to get Power Director non-premium, and if you don't want to cheat, I'll have the download link if I can find it, which I'll probably not find it because I'm kind of too lazy to do that. Bye. And also, this app is good for people who are lazy with editing, but still want to edit really good things. Because it's pretty easy to edit, obviously.